Can you share with us a little bit uh, about your thoughts as it relates to opportunity cost and when you're weighing up a decision to make an investment, how large of a position you're willing to put into a certain investment as it relates to your entire portfolio?
Yeah, that's a great question. Um, well, I think that uh, I used to run Pabrai funds with a very simple model that if we'd make a bet, we'd make it 10% of assets. Um, kind of a 10 stock portfolio, 10, 12 stocks made kind of sense to me. And what I found is that during the financial crisis, we were finding lots of companies where there were kind of entire classes of businesses that were really cheap, and uh, we could get some diversification by buying a basket. Um, and I also found sometimes it was better to not always do 10. Sometimes a smaller bet was justified. Um, so now what I do is I'll either do a 2% or a 5% or a 10% bet, just depending on what the what it looks like. So if we get to the point where you're seeing very high discounts to underlying value at the same time, uh, very low probability of a loss, then you can step up, and otherwise you can pull back. But I would say that the less bets the better, and the more you know about the business, and the greater the conviction, the better. So um, Jeff is in the real estate business. He does very well, and specifically in single family homes, uh, renting and flipping both. And so the thing is, if you ask someone like Jeff, you might question what he's doing because he's everything is in one asset class. It's in almost one geography, maybe a couple of geographies, and so you might say there's a lot of concentration there. But at the same time, the degree of knowledge is very deep, and I sense they know what they're doing. Um, so in fact, looking at the two of us, I would think that um, I'm maybe too diversified, and you might actually have it right because you're very close to what you're doing and you know what you're doing. You've been in that space for a long time, so there's a lot to be said for the depth of knowledge and such. So